'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. You know it used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Hey! Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut, and baby, now we got bad blood.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Anika.
And you're watching the
PSYCHOTWINS YouTube vloggers.
So, we've gotten a lot of requests from you guys to do something that we've wanted to do for so long, but we had to wait for you guys to ask. So should we announce?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're showing you a tour of our brain. The
Brain
parts.
tour.
Yeah, the parts. How they function, what we do in our brains.
Yeah.
All those things. Anatomy,
And
basically.
a little
big word if you don't know what
A
that
little
means.
disclaimer: we're not trying to brag about our brain or anything,
Yeah.
but
It's pretty cool.
it's pretty cool. So
I mean, you might like it. And, yeah.
so let's
Enjoy it. Let's get on it.
do it.
Ding dong.
Hi, come on in.
Welcome to the brain! Oh my gosh, welcome!
So, in the very front of our brains, we have the frontal lobe where I do my higher thinking, like reading, using my Broca's area to speak, and using my Wernicke's area to speak properly and use language reception so I understand the language I'm hearing and reading.
We also use our frontal lobes for muscle movements, like playing the piano and singing. As you can see, I play the piano and I sing. I'm really good at it.
As a part of our frontal lobes, we also have to make plans and judgments. As you can see, Anika gives me a cupcake and I have to decide whether or not I should take it or not. Here's our temporal lobes. This is where we process auditory stimuli. As you can see, I love to dance and listen to music.
Nicole, it's time to eat! Nicole!
But sometimes I don't process everything, like Anika's voice.
Next, in the top rear of our brains, we have the parietal lobes, which receive sensory input for touch and body position. As you see, we're touching cold things, hot things, wet things. And in the very front of our parietal lobes is our somatosensory cortex, which registers body touch and movement sensations, and that's hot and we're moving. And in the very back of our brains are the occipital lobes, where we register visual stimuli, and so we see things like that's green, that's red, and all those kinds of stuff.
And here's our cerebellum, which helps us balance and coordinates voluntary movements like dancing, and we love to dance, as you can see. So here we have the reticular formation, which filters incoming stimuli and relays important reticular information through the brain. As you can see, some I let in and some I just ignore, like Anika.
The thalamus, which receives and reroutes info from all the senses except for smells. So we're touching, we're looking at, we're hearing. See, we can hear, but the one sense we can't do is smell. Look, nope, she can't smell it. Look,
I can't smell it.
She can't smell it. Next, we have the hypothalamus, which helps keep a balanced homeostasis and internal state, and also helps autonomic functions like going to the bathroom.
Next is my hippocampus, which processes conscious memories. As you can see here, these are all my memories of when I was on Broadway and when I was a Broadway star.
Here's my amygdala, which is linked to emotions, particularly aggression and fear. So part of the brainstem is the medulla, which controls heartbeat, breathing, and other autonomic functions. As you can see, I'm taking my inhaler just to check my breathing, and I'm also checking my heartbeat.
Now the pons plays a key role in our sleep and also helps coordinate movements. So as you can see, it helps me sleep. I'm sleeping and now I'm moving. So yeah, that's the pons for you. So this is our corpus callosum, which basically connects the two hemispheres of our brain and just unites our brain and keeps it connected. So yeah.
And this is our camera person, girl. Hey! Sabrina! Woo! Yes, she goes to Laguna Beach High Schools, as you can see by her hat. High School of Laguna Beach. Woo! Go Laguna Beach! Woo! Go Beach of Laguna!